Get key features and / or buyer reviews before select PETSITE Compact Laundry Dryer. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose PETSITE Compact Laundry Dryer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Great helper for clothes drying. If you don't have time for the laundry mat because your work or children, our clothes dryer can solve this problem very well. With a load of 13.2 pounds, this powerful yet compact electric dryer is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and other compact areas. High performance. The power of the clothes dryer is 1350 watt. And the drying temperature is up to 153 degrees Fahrenheit. Large diameter 430 stainless steel drum and special raised structure are used inside to ensure full rotation of clothes, prevent entanglement. Fast drying and leave your clothes practically wrinkle-free. Multifunctional laundry dryer. This laundry dryer includes 5 drying programs, such as cooling, 0 to 20 minute, cool air care, 0 to 80 minute, anti-wrinkle, 20 to 60 minute. Normal cloth, 60 to 120 minute, and heavy cloth, 120 to 200 minute, for your selection. And there are 2 heating choices. Weak heating is suitable for silk, nylon, and linen. Strong heating fits larger or bulky clothing. User-friendly design. The dryer runs with low noise and will not disturb your daily life. It will automatically stop working when the door is open. The overheat protection ensures safety for daily use. Notice, cleaning the lint filter regularly will help it dry more efficiently. Compact and portable dryer. This compact clothes dryer takes full advantage of small spaces. You can put the dryer machine anywhere you want by multiple installing ways. Freestanding, stacking and wall-mounted accessories is not included. An exhaust pipe is included and it can be adjusted to different directions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.